One of the five pillars of Islam is the highest point of prayers. Hajj is the annual pilgrimage to Mecca. All able Muslims are expected to complete at least one in their lives. Around 2 million Muslims every year perform Hajj. Hajj is one of five pillars of Islam and is a sacred event. Hajj takes place in the last month of Islamic calendar, Zulhajj, from 8 to 12. Hajj rites are performed over a period of 5 to 6 days. Muslims must remain kalma in ihram due to state religious significance even when exhausted by the journey they undertake. On the first day of Hajj, a smaller pilgrim, Umrah, takes place in Mecca. The day is ended by spending the night in the village of Mina. The second day of Hajj sees the pilgrim head towards to Mount Arafat, where they will spend the afternoon. They will also climb the hill Jabal al-Rahma, where Prophet, peace be upon him, delivered his final sermon. Later in the day, the sunset, Muslims will head 5.5 miles west of Arafat to Muzdalifah. Some travel by bus, or many choose to walk this distance. Over the course of final 3 days of Hajj, coinciding with Eid al-Adha, Muslims circles the Kaaba one final time, cast a stone in Mina, and remove the ihram. Men will shave their heads and women cut a lock of hair, sign of renewal. Muslims carry a ritual of sacrificial slaughter of livestock and distribute meat to poor as per Islamic tradition. It's law, it's mandatory for every Muslim who is physically able to sort minor and financially capable to go on Hajj at least one in their lifetime. Then afterward, the pilgrim visits the Holy Prophet Mosque in Medina. He feels few further by the life and lesson of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Those who complete pilgrimage may add Haji to their name. Hajj translates from the Arabic as to intend a journey. Thank you.